Hi, my name is Heidi Castillo, and in this video, I wanted to show you the daily statistics report from Custom Reporting. You can find this report by navigating to the portfolio screen. It lives under Miscellaneous, titled Daily Statistics. The intent of this report is a little bit to replicate what you see in some of the BI tool reports, like the day-by-day or potentially the snapshot, but in a greater portfolio view with a slightly more flexibility in the data provided. Starting at the top, you can see that there's a portfolio selection option. We've selected the demo portfolio in this particular environment. However, that does give the client multiple options to pick from a portfolio level basis. And we can also view this by individual hotel. The first KPIs that we start across the top really are about how the portfolio is performing from a pickup and on the books, budget, forecast, and variance options. So this is very similar to the snapshot view. When you kind of take a look in BI, this is more like a custom reporting way to show that snapshot in sort of some different metrics. Scrolling down, we've added in the segmentation mix. So taking a look at the pickup segmentation for the last night, and then the pickup from the revenue from the previous night, and then how that segmentation mix is broken down in more of a visual format. And as we scroll down, we also have here the projections for hotel from a daily and a monthly pace perspective. So if you take a look, we have the occupancy forecast and the current occupancy compared for each individual hotel going across. And then the same information provided on a monthly breakdown for the next 12 months. And then as we scroll down, we'll start to see that the information begins to repeat itself. But what we've started here is adding in the daily yield report. So this is kind of a look or view that's similar to the day-by-day that is in BI, again, but generated at the total portfolio level, which is an interesting or unique perspective. We have the dates, the capacity, out of order rooms, and additional daily stats, all the way through to some segmentation daily stats, all viewed in one particular screen. And it shows this for the current month. And if we keep scrolling, you'll see that we have next month, 2 months out, 3 months out, and so on, so that we have a rolling 12-month view of these daily statistics. What's nice about this report is it does roll. So as this current month ends, the next month will roll in as the current month, and then you'll get the 12th month rolled in as the new month at the end. So hopefully you'll be able to share some of this information in an upcoming demo if you have a particular group looking for more daily level statistics from a custom reporting portfolio roll-up view.